markers 277 and 292. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, Fayette County in West Tennessee, Hardeman County in West Tennessee, northwestern McNairy County in West Tennessee, southeastern Shelby County in West Tennessee, southwestern Chesapeake County in West Tennessee, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dunsheville to 8 miles southeast of Eads to Lewisburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Collierville, Olive Branch, Holly Springs, Bolivar, Waldocksee State Park, Limmer, Whiteville, Somerville, Byhalia, Snow Lake Shores, Silverton, Mount Pleasant, Massaville, Lewisburg, Michigan City, Red Banks, Kenyon, LaGrange, Slayton, and Mariana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 41 and 42. Interstate 22 in Mississippi between mile markers 6 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Benton, DeSoto, and Marshall, and the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Fayette, Hardeman, McNairy, and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in northwestern Mississippi, western Union County in northeastern Mississippi, northwestern Pontotoc County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, or 7 miles north of Oxford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oxford, New Albany, Ecru, Cambridge, Keonville, Etta, Bethlehem, Pinedale, Frankston, Middle, Abbeville, Malone, Shari, Hortontown, Kiel, Prouville, Esperanza, Cherry Creek, Old Myrtle, and Pumpkin Center. This includes Interstate 22 in Mississippi between mile markers 52 and 68. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the storm shelter or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lafayette, Marshall, Pontotoc, and Union. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 30, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, and Lawrence. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert. watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to local radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 30 has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, and Lawrence. Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. An hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. National Weather Service chance of rain 50%. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Red Bay, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Red Bay, Phil Campbell, Lippaville, Bullgreen, Vina, Hodges, Mount Hope, Cedar Creek Reservoir, and Atwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, and Lawrence. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Hueytown, Irondale, Fairfield, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Adamsville, Brighton, Lipscomb, Sylvan Springs, Mulga, Maytown, North Johns, Birmingham Fairgrounds, and 5 Points South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Walker. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Tuscaloosa County until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bull City, or 15 miles northeast of Holt, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lakeview, Tammy Hill Ironworks State Park, Bull City, Burnett, Buckville, and Coffee Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama,